excited ako simulan yung life na kasama ka. Sabi nilang pag-aasawa, ito yung time na makukulong ka na sa isang relasyon. Pero naniniwala ako na yung life na kasama ka is a life of, na mas challenging, pero masaya kasi magkasama tayo. Han, I promise that I will keep myself pure and holy to honor God and to honor you as my husband. I will be your forever friend, best friend, your helpmate, best buddy, and lifetime partnership. I promise to submit and follow you as you're the head of the family and as you follow Christ. Huwag tayo susuko at huwag tayo matatakot.
Sa workmate ko siya, hindi ko alam kung ano siya nilil. Mamaya mag-change outfit ako. Meron akong bright kasi. Sige, suotin mo na.
Totoo pala yung sinasabi nila. Posible nga pala talagang maunlad sa'yo isang tao ng ulit-ulit. Nelia, next to God is you. I will make sure that you will feel love every day. I will be here for you and I will be your number one fan and best friend. Forever. Pagdating ng araw na matanda na tayo, mahina at di na kayang tumayo ng tuwid, asahan mo, katabi mo lang ako.
So do you remember with your white dress on?
This marriage, we are not only two, it's you, me, and God. Sa loob ng halos 9 years ng life natin, magkasama tayo sa lahat, magkasama sa tawanan, iyakan, kulitan, success and failure.
I never knew that I could love someone the way that I love you. I never knew that I could love someone the way that I love you, yeah. I never knew that I could love someone the way that I love you. I never knew, I never knew. She's coming on Friday, and then the clothes fall on, 'cause it's just minutes and highways, until the one I love, the one I love, said, I never knew that I could love someone the way that I love you. I never knew that I could love someone the way that I love you, yeah. I never knew that I could love someone the way that I love you. I never knew, I never knew.
Isang tipan, it still remains active. Kaya sinasabi natin, till death do you part. Kamatayan lang ang tutunaw o pupunit sa isang covenant. At ganyan ginawa ng Diyos ang pag-aasawa.
I never knew that I could love someone the way that I love you. I never knew that I could love someone the way
Hindi
that
ko akalain na yung taong na-love at first sight ako simula ng enrollment time. Ang lakas ko pala kay Lord kasi nakinggan niya yung mga prayers ko. Na sana ma-fall ka sa akin.
Then I could lie